It's Gelato Sunday, welcome back. Today we'll be looking at a few different crypto projects and how they use Gelato Network for smart contract automation. We've got some community tasks and some cross-chain bridging this week, so let's get into it. dHedge is making decentralized hedge funds more accessible to everyone. You can start your own hedge fund or find a fund you like in 5 minutes. It's non-custodial, so the user retains ownership over their funds and managers can't run away with the money. And it's social, so both investors and managers have a direct line of communication. dHedge is using Gelato for a couple of TWAP tasks. By automating these with Gelato, they're able to make sure investors always have up-to-date price data they need to manage their funds. Synthetix is a derivatives liquidity protocol. They enable creation of synthetic assets and offer unique derivatives and exposure to real-world assets on the blockchain. So you could issue a synthetic asset that tracks and provides returns for another asset like gold or silver, without requiring you to actually hold that asset. Their token, SNX, can be staked for rewards, and this Gelato task was actually created by a user of their protocol to automate claiming of their own rewards. There are actually multiple users leveraging Gelato to claim their SNX, so they know they're going to just collect those rewards automatically. So this is a great example of how the community can also use Gelato to have a better user experience interacting with protocols. This next Gelato task was actually created by an NFT perpetuals protocol, which is pretty unique. Essentially, the new NFT perpetuals give investors the ability to buy or sell an NFT derivative at a certain price point sometime in the future. This protocol is actually still in development, but they've already been able to use Gelato. They're automating this action function where you'll see AMMs used a lot. This refers to automated market makers, which are a part of DEXs, decentralized exchanges, that help remove the need for intermediaries in trading by automating liquidity provision. So they incentivize users to become liquidity providers in exchange for a share of transaction fees, basically. So here they're using Gelato to execute this check of each market maker's funding time to see if it's time for a payout. Serenity Capital is an algorithmic protocol on the Fantom Opera network. They plan to use a variety of unique investing and treasury management strategies to sustain the treasury and keep the protocol in expansion. To go along with the name, everything is based around a relaxing beach, so their farms are called beaches. Their peg token is Serene, and during expansion it can be minted and distributed to stakeholders who deposited their Pebble tokens in the jar. We love a theme! And Serenity is of course using Gelato. They've automated daily claiming of pending rewards for their community and development funds. Abracadabra is a lending protocol that uses interest-bearing tokens as collateral for borrowing MIM, which is a USD-pegged stablecoin. And this token is unique because it actually offers advanced composability for developers and users for maximum capital efficiency. So Abracadabra needed a way to automate recurring payouts of MIM token rewards to stakers who staked on multiple EVM chains. Thankfully, they were able to use Gelato apps to automate this cross-chain process. A Gelato task auto-triggers a function that passes staked spell tokens on each chain to Ethereum. After all stakes balances are aggregated, Gelato triggers a second function to bridge MIM rewards back to the other chains, so that users can still claim their rewards on the chain where they staked, avoiding costly ETH transactions. This is a really perfect example of how Gelato can enhance UX and make cross-chain and complex protocol processes happen on autopilot. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out Gelato Network down below. Also, be sure and subscribe to this channel and let us know what projects we should cover next time, and we'll see you soon.